gosh, you guys. It's Vlogcember day 5. And I woke up and I heard Tucker crying. Like, I just heard him like faintly, and I was looking frantically from everywhere. I was worried he was like in the dryer. I looked literally everywhere. And then I found him, and he was in this closet in our pantry. Why were you in the pantry, dude? Daddy must have locked you in there before he went to work. Whoops. Bernie's like losing his shit because I still haven't taken him out of his pen. I just wanna freaking brush my hair. Oh, I got this like nasty zit. I don't know where the fuck it came from. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Tucker. Good morning, Meeple. Go flop. Good girl. And who is this little nugget? Could it be a little Bernie? Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. You wanna come out and go potty? Come on, let's. Good morning, Bernie. Okay, go potty. Go potty. Come on. So I just finished filming a haul video. And Bernie's playing with his toys. Oh, what's that? What do you have? Is that your bunny? He loves this one. This is the one that the breeder gave him. So cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit down and edit this video. So not much exciting stuff going on right now, but I think Josh and I are gonna make a run to the youth shelter tonight and do a big donation. I have so much to donate. So I'm going through vlog comments and I noticed that YouTube has added this heart. I'm pretty sure this is the first day I've seen it. So let me know if you guys get like notified when I like your comments, because that's so awesome. Since I can't respond to them all, it would be awesome if I could at least like let you guys know I've read it and acknowledge them. Oh, so cool. I've never seen this before. Oh, I just like my own comment. Bernie, are you trying to get under the couch? That's not gonna work, dude. Lily's kind of checking out Bernie. He's kind of checking out her. She's like, what are you? Is that your hidey squirrel? Get the squirrels out, dude. Get them out. That's a great toy. Really? You're ferocious. So Bernie has been like, now he's probably gonna wake up, but that's his toy bucket thing that I got him. It's not very sturdy, clearly. He took all of his toys out of it and then has just been playing with the actual like container, and then he must have got tired because he was literally like going around crazy with it. Now he's just sleeping on it. Good boy, buddy. Oh, no, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Go lay down. Bernie gets so excited when Josh comes home. It's so cute. You want dinner, buddy? Oh my god, did you just hit that again? Josh keeps running into our chandelier because normally we have the table actually underneath it, but since Bernie's thing, Josh keeps just hitting it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a JCPenney haul today. I made a big Black Friday haul, and look at all this shit I got.
Josh is gonna do a haul.
I ordered 3 boxes of new clothes from JCPenney's.
Yo.
Look like I'm ready to lumberjack.
So Josh got a lot of these. Well, these two work, right?
Yeah.
Some of these are the brand Arizona. These are all from JCPenney. And they just run super small. So I feel like as soon as Josh watches them, they won't fit anymore. So he's going to try to see if he can exchange a lot of these. Yeah, it's crazy. So many brands just make their shit too small. Like, yeah. I know.
I'm double XL.
I'm plus size. Look at this. I love that. I'm always trying to get Josh to wear sweaters because I think they're so cute. You guys, I just got a really exciting email. I just found out that my Teamy code is going to be worth 20% instead of 10% off the entire month in December. So it's definitely the time to get it. That's a pretty good deal. So I'll leave a link in the description box along with the code. Stop whining! So bad. I'm donating all of this stuff to homeless youth in Denver at that one shelter that I love to work with. It's called Peak Thrift. Well, all the money from everything they sell. First of all, I've talked about it before, but I love this place, Peak Thrift, because all the homeless youth can work there, so they have a job there. They can shop there for free, and then anything that they do sell to like the general public, 100% of all the proceeds go towards the kids. So many clothes, you guys. Like, I have been saving up, and I get sent a lot of clothes for free, and because of my job, and I'm so thankful for it. And I think that's why I think it's so important that I give back as many of these things. Like, obviously I can't wear all these clothes. I have a great job where I get all these free clothes all the time, but I can't wear them all, and it can make a difference in people's lives. So we have 4 huge boxes. Guys, we literally like barely could shut the trunk. And we're also donating some bar stools. Okay, so this is the little shed at Peak Thrift. Peak Thrift, this is the huge, it's all
How am I gonna fit
part of this thrift store. Huh?
Am I gonna just dump all the clothes?
I don't know what we're gonna do because I don't think we can open it any more than this. This whole warehouse is a homeless youth volunteer thing. That's not gonna work?
Just hang out here.
They're awesome. They're just not open right now. During the day you can bring donations too, but this is awesome. It's off I-70 and Pecos, and they're the nicest people. So if you have any donations, you live in Denver, bring them here. Or if you have a homeless shelter near you, it's a great time to donate. People need coats and scarves and blankets and anything that you have, sweaters. Well, how many teams you have?
I have 5 fantasy football teams this year. Or, is it? No, it's 5. It's only 5. 3 ESPN and 2 Yahoo. And I am 5 for 5 for the playoffs this year.
Damn.
Awesome. So I have a really good shot
Josh
of
is so
winning
obsessed
some
with it.
money, which is awesome.
We are at a sushi restaurant. This is called Sushi Yumi. It's in Westminster.
Yes. 104th and Federal.
104th and Federal if you live in Denver. It's so good. It's one of our favorite places to go. And no one's ever here, dude. Literally this whole freaking place is empty. So I don't think I've shown you guys this yet, but we have an app. We have a camera set up on Bernie. I'll have a link to it in the description. It was actually really affordable, and you can hear through it, and you can talk to him through it, and it like films him so you can see him when we're gone. So here's what Bernie's up to right now, laying with his ears upside down. Now watch this. Ready? Mr. Burns! Look at that, right up. Oh my gosh, now he's like, where the fuck are they? Oh, that's so mean to fuck with him. Hi, buddy. He's like, what the hell? That's so cute. He's looking at us. Hi, buddy. Who's a good boy, Bernie? That is the cutest thing. Poor guy. He's probably sad now. We'll be home soon, dude. Oh, he is adorable. He's like, okay, fuck this. I'm just hallucinating. Back to bed. Guys, we're about to go in on this. This place is so affordable, too. It's like the best deal in town, we swear. We drive so far to come to this restaurant.
Yeah. It's like 30 miles from where we live, but...
Yeah, it's so good. Mr. Burns! Hi, buddy!
Oh my god, he's...
Mr. Burns! Mr.
Oh,
Mr. Burns!
Burn. No. Oh, no. Hi, buddy. So last night we didn't get to watch The Walking Dead because we were at my friend's house during the episode last night, so we're gonna watch it now. But Josh and I were playing this game in the car where you guess people's astrology signs, and Josh is getting pretty good at it. I just totally guessed Cam Newton was a Taurus. I'm really good at guessing Tauruses or other earth signs. So Ellen is an Aquarius, which I can so see because she's so into like helping people and she's such a humanitarian. It's hard with actors because you get to know them as their characters, not actually them. Like a TV personality or something.
Ryan Seacrest.
I knew you were gonna, as soon as I said TV personality, he's gonna say Ryan Seacrest. Seacrest. Dude, that motherfucker works his ass off. I feel like I would guess an earth sign. Because he works so fucking much. Like a Capricorn or something, maybe?
Capricorn?
Or a Virgo? Dude. He's a fucking Capricorn. I guessed that shit right.
Really?
Yep, he's a Capricorn.
LeBron James.
LeBron James. It's hard to know his personality
Drake?
either. Drake.
You know what Drake's sign
Drake's a
is?
Scorpio.
Oh, is he?
Yep. Nicki Minaj is a Sagittarius.
Anderson Cooper.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay. But I guess it's kind of hard to guess with anyone because, like, even Anderson Cooper probably isn't, like, his full self on
What do you got?
thing. That's why celebrities are so hard to guess. I can guess people, like, I'm around for a little while. better than I can guess a celebrity. But, Anderson Cooper. I'd guess Virgo. What about you?
Yeah.
Virgo?
Virgo.
You always guess Libra, dude. Anderson Cooper is a Gemini.
Oh, wow.
So he could be totally faking it on the news. Geminis are like double personality people. Or like multiple personalities. Like, come on, even Geminis. Normally, Geminis will even admit it and be like, oh yeah, kind of have different like sides to myself. But yeah, like Donald Trump, Gemini. Acts one way, says one thing, flip-flops constantly.
Splitting it with it.
All the animals are in on this. How cute.
Ooh. Gotta watch out that he
Oh, Tucker's in the ring. Tucker is near Bernie. Oh, he doesn't even care. That's so good. Good boy. Both of you are good boys. He won't hurt him. I don't think Tucker has it in his personality.
Let other people play. Look at your little Havanese friend.
Oh my gosh, Bernie. Bernie got another toy. Babe, tie a knot at the end of that so that it doesn't unravel. So, since we're going to the Great Barrier Reef, we both have always wanted to learn to snorkel, but
You mean scuba?
yeah, whatever, scuba. But when I was a kid, I had some really bad ear problems. Like when I was really young, my mom was giving me eardrops, and she told me not to sit up, and I had ADD, and I was like, what? And I did, and it went right through my eardrum. It was really bad. I was like bleeding out of my ear. I had to go to the hospital, and I haven't had like that good of hearing ever since. In like 8th grade, I got like a serious case of swimmer's ear, and I literally had to like stay in Florida by myself for an extra week. My family had to leave me down there with my grandma, and I was so sick. Like, it was one of the worst pains of my life. So ever since then, I like every time I go underwater too deep, it like really hurts. So I'm wondering like if any of you had that kind of pressure problem. I don't know. I think we're gonna take this, like, what is it, babe?
We have a company here in Denver called Denver Divers, and they have like a pool, and you can, for $30, go and just try out like scuba dive in their pool.
Yeah, that's what we did for my field trip. We did the same thing. I did a field trip with that
That's a cool field
in like
trip.
8th grade. Yeah. It's like the big 8th grade field trip, but I couldn't go as deep as everyone else, dude. My mom had to come with me.
Really? Oh, you tried it already? You couldn't?
But it was right after I got hurt. So, I don't know. I think we should try
at
it.
least try it.
Yeah.
Like, if you can't do it.
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Can you not like grip the couch on the ground?
Okay, you guys gotta start leaving questions of the day again, because I want to start doing it. So question of the day: what do you and Josh find that the hardest part about owning a puppy is?
I think the hardest part is like being mean to your puppy.
I was just about to say that.
It's like he's being bad right now, and no bite. You have to be mean to his cute little
Well, not
face.
mean, but like tough. I'd say it's kind of scary almost, like it's a little nerve-wracking
Yeah, it is a little
because
scary, especially
they're
when
so
you, like,
dumb. Like, cats don't do that kind of shit. Cats are like so clean and so like, they don't like eat dumb, well, Meatball ate a bunch of hairbands one time, and oh my god, dude, she literally almost died. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that story. I had a heart attack. We were like on the way to the hospital and she finally choked them up, but she ate so many hairbands, they took the shape of her stomach, and she hacked them all up at once, and like, we thought she was literally dying because she was choking on it, and she like couldn't breathe, and she was frantically running around because she couldn't breathe, and Josh and I were literally like, I was like sobbing and screaming. We like threw her in the car and we're bringing her to the emergency place, and then she like all of a sudden just puked it all up. But yeah, it's hard because I'm worried that Bernie will like eat something or do something. It's like hard having to watch him all the time because they really are like furry little babies. Like today I had Bernie in this little area and I block it off and I edit over here. And normally that's been fine so far, and he can just like, you know, I know what's in here, so it's like the perfect place for him to chill. But today he discovered the TV, and so his new thing is going back there and pulling wires out. So we can't do that.
He's literally a furry baby.
Yeah.
Good night.
Say goodnight, Bernie. Bernie! Bernie! Good night, buddy. Say goodnight, buddy.
Say goodnight, Mr.
Say
Burn.
I love all of you.
Say goodnight, Mr. Burn.
Good night, Mr. Burn. Oh. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
The whole thing is that we
Bernie is
understand
literally
the
sleeping on
struggle, so we
Josh.
understand
Prison.
why now, I guess is the question. Why did you write in and
It's
why?
like what I'll do with
The
my
main thing
child.
is I would love to meet
Little
her
infant.
Yeah.
and have that
Good
face-to-face contact.
And
where
I'm
it's
warm,
like,
I bet. But he's
Yeah.
there you are.
He's a happy
And
nugget.
then when I started
Talk to
talking,
Hazel, really, at all. But
Hi,
obviously
dude.
Hazel has a Facebook. Okay.
Dude, take your hand completely off. Can you just lay there?
oh, listen, where I got
Oh.
cookies from my ones from home.
Oh my god.
So I'm interested in Hazel. She's connecting with Jackie. That's good.
Every stumble keeps me humble.
He's gonna go back to sleep. Look at this.
Pursuing greatness, one step ahead. Every step that I take is a step forward.